There's certain questions on the SAT that you just can't answer without knowing about 30, 60, 90 triangles. Now, the first thing to know is that there's always a relationship between an angle and the side across from that angle. The bigger the angle, the bigger the side across from it. In the case of 30, 60, 90 triangles, if the side across from 30 is 1, then the side across from the 90 degree angle is going to be 2, and the one across from the 60 degree angle will be 1 root 3. But of course, it doesn't have to be these exact numbers. It could be 1 million, 1 million root 3, and 2 million. They just have to be in that 1 root 3, 2 ratio. So here we have a 30, 60, 90 triangle. This is 90, x is 60. That means this has to be 30. The side across from 30 is 4, and that means that the one across from 60 has to be 4 root 3, and the one across from 90 has to be 8. So AB, the one across from 90, is 8. Some of these 30, 60, 90 triangles can be solved very quickly. Here I'm just filling in the angles, and when I do, I can see that these triangles are identical. So it's 30, 60, 90, and the side across from the 90 is 12. That means that the one across from the 30 must be 6, and the one across from the 60 must be 6 root 3. So now I'm just going to fill them in. This side was 6 root 3. This one across from the 30 was 6, and when we jump over to this other triangle, all the relationships are the same. This is 12, this is 6 root 3, 80 is 6. This question tells us that CD is equal to half of AB, so I'll just say CD is 1 and AB is 2, and it wants us to find the measure of angle B. So I guess you could eyeball it, but we never want to do that. It's always better to get exact answers. And you pretty much need the 30, 60, 90 triangle relationships in order to do that. So what I'm going to do is draw a parallel line right here. And since it's parallel, that means that it's going to have the same length as CD, so it's going to be 1. And then we can see that it's going to be a 1 root 3, 2 triangle. So the angle across from the 1 is 30. The one across from the root 3 is 60. This is 90. So 60 plus 90 is 150. Same questions show up over and over on tests like the SAT. If you want to practice these questions and their related skills, you should sign up for an account at mathchops.com. It's free to try. And if you like these videos, please subscribe to the YouTube channel.